Hello students, I'm Prabha Bhati, your science teacher. Welcome you in your science class. I hope you all are fine and healthy while staying at home. So, let us start the new chapter, reproduction in plants, chapter number 1. Yes. So, in this lesson you will learn about the reproduction in plants from different parts. For example, reproduction from spores, reproduction from stem, reproduction from stem cutting, reproduction from roots and reproduction from leaves. So, let us start these topics. So, as you all know, plants play a very important role in our life. Why? Because life on the earth is existing because of plants only. So, it is not possible to exist life on the earth without plants. Why? Because plants give us food, water, fiber, and many other things. They also supply life by giving us oxygen. So, plants make our earth very beautiful, right? Now, starting with the reproduction. Reproduction is a process by which new plants are grown from the parent plant. Okay, so the first reproduction, that is from spores. Spores are very tiny seed like structures, as you can see here in the picture. They are present on the surface of the leaf like ferns or mushrooms. They are molds to reproduce from the spores. Okay, second is reproduction from stem. Onion, ginger and potatoes are underground stem. We can see here in the picture they grow buds on the stem and then they convert into a potato. So new plants are grown from these buds. This is how a potato plant look like. Now, reproduction from stem cutting. This is the very simple reproduction. As you can see, we can reproduce some of the plants by taking or cutting a stem and planting it in the soil. If we take a stem and cut it and again bury in the soil, it will grow. Okay, I'll tell you some of these stem cutting plants which grow into a new plant. They are rose, cactus, hibiscus and sugarcane. They all can be grown from stem cuttings. Okay, now one more thing, in case of strawberry, long stems along with the buds grow over the soil surface. They are called as runners. Okay, buds which are present on the stem, they grow into a new plant very easily. Now, while talking of jasmine plant, this plant is grown very easily by bending the lower branch of the stem into the soil. We will take a lower branch of this plant and bury it under the soil. What will happen? This process is called as layering and it grow tips remain above the soil surface and it will grow into a new plant. Okay, now reproduction from roots. Roots of some plants which have such as sweet potato, carrot, turnip, radish, they are not stored only the food, but they also produce new plants. They are known as tuberous roots. Okay, now the next, that is the last reproduction from leaves. As you all know, some of the plant have leaves which grow into the buds along with the edges. This leaf, as you can see here in the picture, has the edges and on the edges there are small leaves present. So this is the reproduction from leaves. इनका reproduction leaves से होता है. So new plant grow from these buds and later separate from the parent plant. Birophyllum is an example of reproduction from plant. This is the picture of birophyllum plant. Okay. Now, I hope you understood the topics well. Stay well and stay healthy. Thank you so much.